If you're watching this video, you most likely fall into one of three categories. A, you're a Quark Express user who has just purchased InDesign and you want to get up to speed quickly using the skills you already have. B, you're a Quark Express user who is considering a move to InDesign and you want to kick the tires before you buy. Or C, you've inserted the wrong disk in your computer and you're wondering why you're not hearing Bobby Goldsborough's greatest hits right now. If you are A or B, you've come to the right place. We'll be showing you where all the goodies you are used to using in Quark are in InDesign and how they behave differently. If you're a category C, I've also got good news for you. The first part of this video is heavily scripted talk, but the second half is all set to music and I sing all the lines. I'm no Bobby Goldsboro, but I can sing a description of step and repeat as well as anyone. My name is Russell Veers, and welcome to Total Training for Quark to InDesign CS3. I started using InDesign when it was still codenamed K2 in its beta form back in 1999. I did my first workshop on it just days after its release, and I've been teaching it ever since. In fact, I'm an Adobe certified instructor in InDesign as well as Photoshop and Illustrator. Before converting to InDesign for my personal work, I was a Quark Express fan, and before that, PageMaker. And before that, I set type on CompuGraphic MDT 350s and EditWriter 7500s. Ah, those were the days. To kick things off, it makes sense to me that we take a tour of the interface or the environment in which we're going to work. It will help us lay a good foundation for finding what we need once we're ready to start building documents.